Sometimes a sculpture tells you exactly what it is: an animal, a person, a monument. But this one didn't make any sense to me. It's called Across the Great Span of Time, and I honestly couldn't figure out what I was supposed to be looking at. I'm on Sheppard Avenue in North York, and the sculpture that I'm going to look at today was created by Clare Scott-Taggart in 2008. It sits right beside these residential buildings, and every time I drove past, I wondered what it actually meant. So today, I've decided to stop and finally figure it out. When you walk around it, there isn't an obvious front or back. It twists, it curves, it almost feels like it's moving, even though it's completely still. And the more I looked at it, the less I wanted to guess. I wanted to understand why it looked this way. These aren't just abstract forms. They are bronze milkweed pots. The artist uses them to connect the past, the present, and the future of this site. From its pastoral beginnings to the environmentally progressive buildings that stand here today, the plaque calls them seeds of change. And suddenly, the title made perfect sense. The bronze turns out to be the perfect material. It doesn't stay shiny forever. It slowly changes. It records weather. It records age. In a way, the sculpture keeps changing without ever changing its forms. You know, when I first walked over here, I was trying hard to understand what it represented. I thought there had to be one correct answer, but after spending some time with it, I don't think that's the point. I think the point is that it slows you down in a highly structured and fast-moving city. It's asking you to not just look into the future, but also to not forget about the past, because every future will come from a certain past. Across the great span of time isn't the kind of sculpture that grabs your attention. It's the kind that quietly rewards it. And maybe that's why I've driven past it so many times without ever really seeing it. So this was another sculpture hidden in plain sight. I'll see you soon with another sculpture and another story waiting to be discovered.